What's up, my students? It's your favorite science teacher here to teach you about topographic maps. And for Miss Herrera's kids who are just now watching this video, hi, I'm that crazy weird person who works next door. Anyways, so this is a little bit different. Due to the fun and exciting coronavirus, I get to teach class from the isolation and comfort of my own home, which is weird. So I have created an audience, a classroom. And I didn't have any students, so I made a classroom out of canned food. So periodically I will be asking the class questions and they will be answering them. Now, this video will be in probably 2 or 3 parts. You have your own copy of this slide share on Google Classroom, which I would like you to refer to while you are listening to me teach you about this. I will periodically tell you to pause the video and go to your copy of the SlideShare and answer questions in that SlideShare or play some kind of a game or something that I have posted there. Please just hit pause, do that, and then come back, and then you can listen more to the melodious sound of my voice. But first, a joke. What do you call the most dangerous mountain in the world? Mount Kilimanjaro. Get it? Mount Kilimanjaro. Anyways, so we're talking about topographic maps, and topographic maps are a type of map. Wow, did you see that coming? I didn't see that coming. So, for example, on the left side, you can see a picture of some mountains, and on the right, this is a topographic map of those mountains. Basically, a topographic map shows the land features of a certain area. So, moving on, maps are usually made by taking a satellite photograph of an area like Washington, D.C., and using it to make a easier to read version of that that you can use to find your way. So, for example, if you look in this satellite image above, here's the White House, here's the eclipse, and this is the Washington Monument, and here you can see the White House, the eclipse, the Washington Monument. And this bay here matches this bay here. Here's an example of a map of the Dallas-Fort Worth area and the satellite view it was made from. Oh, sorry. So basically a satellite took this picture and we made a map of it, and you can see Carrollton Farmers Branch is right over here. Carrollton Farmers Branch is right over here. Dallas is here. Dallas is here. Whatever this weird looking lake is here, here's that weird looking lake right here. Okay, moving on. So now I would like you to hit pause, go to your version of the slide, and answer this question, where I'd like you to look back to this picture. Compare the satellite image of Dallas-Fort Worth with the map of Dallas-Fort Worth from the previous slide. What is similar and what is different? Go ahead and hit pause. And when you're done, come back. If you need a sentence starter, you could say similarities between the satellite image and the map are, and then tell me what the similarities are, period. Differences between the satellite image and the map are, and then list for me the differences. All right, go ahead and do that. Okay, everybody finished? Yes. Okay, moving on. I'm not going crazy. So those were all maps of cities, which are important, but sometimes we need maps of natural areas. For example, I like to hike. Y'all know that. I like to go to a lot of natural areas. I need a map when I go to those places that shows me the topography, what the natural areas look like. For example, here is a picture of a valley. A valley is a long, depressed area through which a river flows. I need to be able to identify a valley on my map. Now, I'd like to point out, when we say depressed, we don't mean that the valley is sad. That would be hilarious, but it's not what it is. It means it's low down. Notice these are all high elevation up here. The valley is a very low or depressed elevation. Now, these valleys have a river running through them, cutting them out through weathering and erosion, and sometimes these long rivers can form V-shaped canyons with steep sides. Any of y'all ever been to the Grand Canyon? Any of y'all ever been to Palo Duro Canyon? It's